What's up guys, you have probably heard of YUNMAI brand for their famous smart scales. For example, I have been using the YUNMAI smart scale for about 2 years now, and I really like it. However, the Chinese company also has other sports devices, such as smart jump ropes and massage guns. In this video we will test YUNMAI massage gun SlimChic. It comes with 4 massage attachments, 3200 RPM powerful motor, 3 speed modes, and up to 7 hours battery life. You know, I was very surprised to see the price of $269 on official website, but the massage gun is available on Amazon for only $69. You can also use $10 off coupon code, so the final price for you will be only $59. So this is very affordable massage gun, but first let's test it and find out is it worth buying. The device comes in a branded cardboard box. There is the image of massage gun on the front and some information about it on the back. Inside the delivery cardboard box, there is another one of a white color. The sticker with model name, main features of massage gun, and package contents are on the side. When you open this box, you will find a carrying and storage case. There is a big YUNMAI logo on the front and a comfortable rubber handle to carry the case. Inside the case, we have a massage gun itself, 4 massage heads, power adapter, and user manual. By the way, a user manual is very useful because there are instructions on how to use massage gun on the different parts of the body, such as arms, shoulder, waist, leg, and foot. Talking about design of YUNMAI massage gun. It is not very compact. The dimensions are 180 by 62 by 238 mm. However, it is lightweight, only 800 grams. The massage gun has 3 speed modes, and you can use 3 indicator lights at the top. You can power on/off a massage gun with physical button, as well as change the speed modes. And there are another 4 indicator lights on the side, but they say about battery level. A charging port is located at the bottom. Finally, you can install a massage head on the front of massage gun. As I said before, there are 4 massage heads available. Let's talk about them. The flat and round heads are made of ABS, while the bullet and U-shaped heads are made of food-grade silicone. The round head is mainly used to massage large muscle groups. You can use a flat head to relax and shape muscles. The bullet head is used to impact deep tissues. Finally, the U-shaped head is designed for massage of the neck, spine, and heel tendon. As already said, you can read the instructions on how long and how often you can massage certain parts of the body. The YUNMAI massage gun has a powerful motor of 3200 RPM. However, you can use it in the first speed mode with 1800 RPM. In the second gear, the motor speed is 2400 RPM. The most powerful mode is 3200 RPM. You know, the massage gun is very powerful, and the first mode is enough for me. Perhaps over time I will use more powerful modes. By the way, the manufacturer says that the noise level of this massage gun is only 45 decibels. Let's check it out. At the first speed, the noise level is 45 decibel. In the second speed mode, the noise level is 50 decibel. The maximum noise level of this massage gun is 52 decibel. You should also know about battery of YUNMAI massage gun. It is equipped with 1600 mAh battery. The full battery charge takes 4 hours, while the battery life depends on the speed mode. The maximum battery life in the first speed mode is 7 hours. If you use the massage gun on the most powerful mode, then the battery life is 4 hours, which is also good. Please note that the massage gun has no USB port, so you need to take the power adapter from the package with you. It is not a big problem, because a carrying case is very handy. So I think that YUNMAI SlimChic is a good massage gun, especially for the price of $69. It has a powerful motor, 4 massage heads, and a good battery life. What else do you need from a massage gun? it does a great job, and that's the most important thing. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!